Just because you enter something really interesting in the status of your Facebook page does not mean that what you posted will automatically appear in front of all of your Facebook page's fans, in this case 280 people, in their main wall feeds. And most Facebook page owners think that that's actually what's happening. That's why they're trying to build up the number of likes, because what they post here, they want to appear on their Facebook likes pages. Unfortunately, that's not true. So I'm here to tell you why and how you can increase the chances that your post will appear there. By the way, the page that we're looking at here is Social Media Marketing, which is the page that I created to support you guys, the viewers of my social media marketing title. And I do invite you to like my page if you just go to facebook.com and choose Social Media MKTG, like that. That's the URL. Ann Smithson has become a fan of this page. And if I type something in here, if I say, I'm trying to explain EdgeRank in my video, and I share it, it will always appear in my Facebook page. But if I happen to be one of these 280 people and I log into my Facebook account, like Ann Smithson, we don't know if it's actually going to appear on her page or not. And that is because what the default view is for all Facebook personal accounts is this thing called Top News. What appears in Top News are the posts that the user's friends have posted and also any pages that they've liked based on what Facebook thinks you'd be most interested in. So posts where a lot of people have commented, posts that include pictures or videos, those have a greater chance of appearing in the newsfeed. Because Aunt Smithson, poor thing, doesn't have that many friends, it's likely that this post will automatically appear in Top News. So I'm going to refresh, and there it is. But it's probable that many of the people who like your page have many more friends, have hundreds of friends. And so whenever they go to Facebook, it doesn't list all 200 friends' most recent posts. It puts the most popular posts, I guess you could call it. It's similar to Google. If you typed in a search phrase on Google, how does Google determine what are the links that appear in the first or second page? They have this secret algorithm, right, that says, well, pages that have the highest keyword density that matches the search phrase, pages that have a title with the keyword in it, pages that are popular, that are linked to by other pages, those would be the ones that should appear on page one. That's called a search ranking algorithm, and Facebook has something similar for Top News called EdgeRank. And if you Google EdgeRank or you search in Facebook for EdgeRank, you'll see lots of people are talking about it. The idea being, how can you make sure that your posts end up in the top news feeds of all the people who like your page? Now, you can always tell them, hey, if you want to see my posts, make sure and click Most Recent, because Most Recent does list in chronological order all of the posts posted by your friends and the pages that you liked. And I did talk about this in Chapter 2 when I talked about setting up your Facebook personal page. But now we're coming at it from the other perspective of a business owner. So here we are on Bliss number 5 page, and I want to write something, and I want to make sure that what I post here appears on the 6 people who like my business so far on their top news feed. Is there any way I can make sure? No, I'm sorry. Some of my page's fans have hundreds of friends, but ways that I can increase my chances that other people who have investigated this have documented are, first of all, don't just write a plain old status. Don't just say, we're having a sale. And unfortunately, even including a link doesn't increase your chances. So if you say, we're having a sale, here's the URL. And I'll put in my List number 5 website. If you post that, it doesn't really help you that much. But if you can include either a picture or a video, that does help. So you see these things for photo and video. If you include a video, you can record a video from your webcam, you can upload a video from your drive, or you can go to any website that already has a video, like YouTube or Vimeo or a video that you've uploaded elsewhere, and get the embed code. And then when you write out your status, you can include the embed code for that video, and that will count. So it doesn't mean you always have to come up with a video. You can use other people's videos. And the same thing with a photo. In this case, it's going to include this little picture. Whenever you include a link, it always pulls this picture. But you can do an end run around Facebook and increase the chances of this post making it into top news by including a picture along with your status. So I could go to my webpage for Bliss number 5, and I could use a screen capture software to take a screenshot of something, and then I would go back to Facebook, and when I write out my post, there we go, to Bliss number 5, when I write out my post, I would upload that screenshot. So there's a quick way to grab a photo. Or I actually have a whole pile of images already on my desktop. I'll just grab one of these images here. Let's try the chocolate signage. Remember this picture here? Let's try that one. I think it might be too big. We'll see. No, that worked fine. One thing that I really wish Facebook would let you do would be to edit your posts. Because right now what I'd rather say is, we're having a sale, come by and visit. Here's the address, right? Because we're showing a picture of the front of our office. But if you ever write something wrong, unfortunately, all you can do is click the X to remove the post and then rewrite it. So the idea is, when you are running a Facebook page, yes, you're trying to get your posts to appear in your fans, your likes, in their walls. That's true. And so you are trying to increase the number of pictures and videos and interaction, get people to comment on your posts as well. That also increases EdgeRank. But the other thing is that you might want to just say, I don't have any control over that. Hopefully it'll get to there. What you want to do is for your likes to come to your page, drive them to your page, and then get them to share things. When they click share on a post, then that definitely appears on their wall, and their friends will see that as well.